Hello everyone, here's another video of another snowmobile fixing up. This one's 96 Yamaha vmax XTC. Picked this one up for $500 with papers. Shown 8,000 kilometers, but the cable's broke. So I'm doing some cleaning up on this, and got the skis on today. Did have a set of wheels on it when I got this. Garage is a mess. Anyways, the one keel on the bottom ski over there had been worn off. I got no runner on it, so I fixed it up with a piece of old slide, kind of fastened it in, built up the keel, put the runner back on. It's not in bad shape. A couple little cracks in the cab here and here, that side. Does run, has electric start. All the lights work. I get the seat off. Of course, the seat cover was shot, so I get the seat over here. Gonna get a new cover. It's on the way. Order them off Amazon. Staple them on. We used to make them, but it's easier just to buy them, put them on, staple them fast. I bought an air stapler on the last sled, the Ski-Doo. That went to my uncle. My uncle had bought that one last week. There's the can off this 600. Got to be cleaned up. Over the front, the exhaust has had a crack in it. Tried to weld it. It was unweldable. Just kept blowing holes through it. So I'm going to pick up a second-hand one tomorrow, and as well as a new speedometer cable if that's the problem. And this here was, this control arm was bent up a little bit, so I just filled it in with some PL. I'll grind it off, paint it up, make it look a little better. Put some decals on there and painted the skid underneath. Get a decent track on it. Hand warmers do work. Next video I'll show you under the hood with everything closed up, because I'm trying to get these to seal. PL works great. Construction adhesive, it sticks good. Cleaned up the windshield a little bit. Nice wide set of skis on this. Painted up the vents. But yeah, it runs good. Once I get everything back together, I'll make another video of this thing running back in one piece. I'm gonna check the speedometer cable tomorrow. Usually when them break, it means the front drive cog bearings are gone, which I hope it's not, because that's a big job, but it is what it is. Anyways, hope you like this video. I'll make, like I say, I'll make another one shortly there once I get everything back together and get it outside. Anyways, take care everyone. Bye.